Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this bi-directional HDMI switch. So this is a 2-port HDMI switch with one output port here and a USB-C port right here. This thing is pretty crazy for a couple different reasons. So we're going to test all these features, but this allows you to, like the name says, go bi-directional. So you can plug one device into two monitors with this device, or you can plug two devices onto the same monitor. It's basically bi-directional, and it does support up to 8K, so you don't have any issues with transporting 4K video through this or anything like that. Now let's quickly take a close-up look and then get into the testing. So inside of the box you have two items here, a USB-C to USB-A cable, standard rubber, and then right here you have your bi-directional switch. So like I mentioned, it is 8K compatible. You've got your button right here to switch between the inputs, two ports on the bottom, and then this cable right here, your USB-C ports, and your output or input, considering which way you use it. So pretty simple little device, but definitely has some weight to it, and I'm excited to plug it in and do some testing. So let's get into it. To operate your HDMI switch, you need to plug in the USB-C cable. It does not come with a charging brick, so I've opted to charge it via this big brick right here, plugged in my USB-A cable, and now you can see that the numbers will light up on your switch. So let me talk about the setup I have going right here. You can see I am displaying to my monitor. So into my switch, we've got the power cable. And then on the output side, we have a HDMI cable that's going to our monitor. And then the input HDMIs, the first one is going to my laptop here. There you can see right there. And the second one is going to a Nintendo Switch right here. So what I can do is if I want to switch over to my monitor to the Switch, I can hit button number 2. And we should pull up the Nintendo Switch. Just like that. Or if I want to go back into my laptop, I just hit that button and I go back to my laptop. So you can see how this is very handy if you have multiple devices and not enough HDMI ports on your either your TV or your monitor. And this little switch is going to be absolutely perfect to make sure that you can plug in all your devices at once and switch between them with the ease of a button press. So very, very happy with that functionality. Now let's go ahead and test it the other way around and make sure that it has that bi-directional functionality. Okay, and now let's test the other functionality here. So we're going to do the bi-directional setting the opposite way of last time. So we have our laptop here. I have the listing pulled up here, the Binzet. I will have the link to this down below, by the way. So our laptop is plugged into the single port now, because I want to display my laptop on two different screens. So I've got this screen plugged into the switch and this screen plugged into the switch. So as you can see, right now it's set to 1 and my computer is displaying on this screen. You can see as I move my little mouse around right here that I am moving the mouse on that screen. But if I go ahead and hit the button again, my computer is automatically going to adjust and throw it onto this monitor now. And you can see that now I am controlling the mouse on that monitor. So a very, very cool device here. The 8K support is massive. The bi-directional is very convenient. You only need one device to do both. It does support HDCP 2.3, which is awesome. So overall, just a great device, guys. I will have links down below, and check out some other tech reviews up here on your way out. Thanks for watching.